Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Brightower 12W LED desk lamp. Hopefully my video will help you with your buying decision. Inside the box you have the adjustable metal arm desk lamp, a mounting clamp and the instruction manual. Now let's mount the lamp to the desk. First attach the mounting clamp to the side of the desk and turn the bottom screw to secure it. Then connect the arm desk lamp to the mounting clamp and secure it by turning the screw as illustrated. Now open the arm and adjust the lamp to your preferred height and position. The 3-axis design, along with the long swivel arm, gives you a lot of flexibility in positioning your lamp. Don't forget to use the screws to secure your preferred setup. You can also slightly rotate the lamp head as illustrated. Finally, connect the USB cable to any USB charger. You can now control the light using the switch. You have 4 buttons: the power button to turn on or off the light, the plus and minus buttons to increase or reduce the brightness, and the switch button to change the color temperature. Now let's power it on. You have 3 lighting temperatures: 3000 K, 4500 K, and 6000 K, which you can choose from by pressing the switch button. With each lighting temperature, you have 10 different brightness levels, which you can select by pressing the plus or minus buttons. So overall, you have 30 possible combinations to cover your lighting needs. The LEDs have a lifespan of 50,000 hours. Overall, this is an excellent LED desk lamp. It is 12 watts and has an energy class of A+++, so it's very cheap to run. It can illuminate the entire table surface and you can easily position the lamp to your preferred angle. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.